Ready? Right, we can open this door again now. Right guys, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. We got another load of oats going this morning, so me and John are coming early. Cleared all the oats that were in front of that door, was making it bulge out, and put it in there. So there's a load there to go. We can now get in this door again, so we're just going to tidy all this up so that when the next lorry comes, it's all easily accessible. That's all now cleared out of the way, so as and when a lorry turns up, we can load him from either side. We'll take the tractor and spinner down to the wash bay because it's covered in fertilizer and won't be using it for a while, so we need to clean that off. Remember, like and subscribe. We can beat Crawford to 10k. Lorry's just leaving the yard. We managed to get rid of this big pile that we had in here, so that's about an Arctic load in a decent sized bay. So hopefully there's 2 Arctic loads left. What with is stuff in here and there. Let's have a quick tidy up here and then go wash the spreader off, and then today we're going to hopefully drill some grass seed, so that's what you'll see in a minute. Slight change of plan. Bruce decided we want to put the TSP on this ground that we're going to be drilling before we drill it. 1 hectare plots like this, so I'm just spreading the TSP on it now. And the plan is, the drill was going to go on this tractor, it's now going to go on the 130. Rex is just moving some sheep in front of me. Right, it's much later in the day now. We've been over and set Phil up on the drill. He's drilling grass seeds. John's working up ground ahead of him with a power harrow. I've been back and sorted out the fertilizer spreader, washed that all off, put it away. Give the tractor a wash whilst I'm at it. I am now heading over with our big set of flat rolls, and I will flat roll in everything that Phil has done so far. I've given him a couple hours head start, so he should have done a couple paddocks, but it'll give me a bit of a chance to show you guys what's going on anyway. But anyway, as I was saying, we'll hopefully get all the seeds drilled and rolled, and a shower of rain will do it a lot of good. There's Phil in the 130, drilling away. Now I can't remember what spools I put these in, so. Oh, that's up. You want that? And that's out. Very good. Right, so we're all set up now. See, we've got 8 plots, 4 plots for each variety of grass. There's 2 varieties of grass seed. One is they're called Graze Max, I think is the variety, and the other one is a herbal lay. So when we got here this morning, there was 4 fields power harrowed. 3 of them were the herbal lay and 1 of them was the normal grass. But when they calibrated the drill back home, they had the normal grass in it. So Phil drilled this plot I'm in now, which is the normal grass. I think it's grass and clover mix. He's then emptied the drill and recalibrated it for the herbal mix, so he can go on and drill all the herbal mix plots now, and then empty the drill after that and start again on the grass and clover mix. We'll roll them in behind him, so we'll give this a go a minute. Literally just finished washing this tractor. Look at the dust that's coming off here. It's already piling up on the mud guards, on the bonnet. We definitely want some rain on this. As you can probably see, I'm not rushing along at any serious pace, because all I end up doing is catching Phil up pretty quick, and then I'll have to stop anyway, so I'll trundle along. Perhaps when I finish this field I'll have a bit of dinner, because I haven't had any yet. Give him a bit of a chance to get ahead. Now I believe this is what my good friend Crawford calls a bit of stewer, whatever that is. Dust. Look at it. Yeah. I got a couple passes here to do, and then I'm going to stop and have my dinner, and whilst I'm doing that I'll stick the drone up so you guys can see those guys playing in their tractors. Now I know there'll be people interested in what's in these grass mixes, so we'll have a look. This is the Herbal Grazing Mixture and Grow Max. from forage quality seeds. So this is all the list of species and varieties that's in there. So there's some Festiloniums, Trifoliums, some plantain, some chicory, and this is how much of a percentage they make up of the mix. Some red clover in there. I don't really know any of these names as such, but that is what they are. Right, this is the other bag of stuff we've got here. So this is called Graze Max Intensive and Grow Max. So it's got some of the same stuff as the other bag, some Agaska, whatever that is, the Rivendell, that's in the other one, the Buddy, but no clover in here by the looks of it. These are all just whatever Alolium per. Is that perennial? Phil's just finished his field he's in, so I got another one I can roll. John's up still power harrowing. Tractor was nice and clean, but now it's covered in dust. Dog out. Look at this litter bug. Oh, he's full. Ha. I thought Phil had been littering. There's a full bag. Right, I'm going to do my best Brian from FarmFlex chicken walk for you so you can see this working. Now you'll notice that the tines aren't actually touching the ground. We've done that purposely so that we're not dragging all of this stuff about the field. Otherwise we just end up with a big heap of it at the end of each run. So all that's happening with the iron block there is 6 chutes out of the hopper. There's a fan in there that blows seed down to each chute and just sprays it out. And then normally you'd have the times to scratch it in about as it goes, but we're just going to roll it in because, like I said, otherwise we'll end up with a big heap of rubbish turf at the end of the field. It's quite handy for Phil having the GPS, because otherwise he wouldn't really be able to see where he's been, other than a couple of tyre marks in the wheels that are touching the ground. You've got to have the wheel on the ground because that's what drives the dispenser for the seed. Grass seeds are so small. I'll try and find some here for you on the floor. So there is one right on the end of my finger. There's also a spider. I mean, I can see quite a few, but you won't be able to pick them up on camera very easy. But what happens when we roll that down, it all gets mixed in. And if it rains this afternoon or tonight, it would be ideal. You got one more herbal to do?
Yes. Taking a while.
That's right. You're only just a tiny bit slower than me.
Yeah, no, it's not much yet.
No.
I'm just such a prat for not making a note of the number on the thing, and I've got to go back and reset.
So there are our ring rolls that you've seen me using in a couple of the recent videos. So they were used to roll down the ploughing that Craig done over here, and then exactly the same brand, same width, everything, just in the flat version. Here comes Big Bad Bowman. Got part of a tree wrapped around a beacon on his tractor. On the independent brakes, lovely work, sir. Beautiful. It's funny, the roller on the back of that power harrow is like a coil, so it looks like you've been tilling the field a completely different way to what you actually are, because it sort of spirals along the back. It's not a conventional packer roller. Why, I don't know, it's just what we got. It's like a John Deere meetup here. Why has he stopped? Come in this one, Phil? We had to stop rolling for a minute because we caught up, so hopefully he'll come in here. Right, we're gonna have a meeting. Dish tea?
Dish tea. Yeah, it goes, so even with the overlap, so I set it on a bigger overlap than just 5 metres, so 4.9, and setting it at nearly 37 kilos.
Yeah, you still have
it's
some
come out
food.
light. Oh, look at that! Buffalo.
Decaf?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this. How do you think I keep looking so good?
Right, body's a temple, isn't it?
That is no mistake.
Do you know what? I saw some mates when I was on holiday. So this is no testimony of what I used to look like, but they said, God, you look bloody well.
Back, calibrated with the other variety of seed. Have another go at it. Better wait, turn the fan on for him. So I'll just make sure as he sets off that there is a seed coming out of the malt. Come here. Which there is, that's good. It's about 4:45 now. The rain is supposed to be coming at 7 o'clock tonight, so we'll get this in and it can rain. Job done. Oh, we are back underway. I was saying to John just before he left, I wish I'd used these flat rolls on the arable ground to roll down all the cultivating. They seem to do a bit of a better job. I don't know whether they're just heavier. Obviously they don't break the soil as much, but leave it a bit nicer for the drill. Today is the 1st of September. It's a Thursday, so You all know what that means. It is of course the start of the new Credit and Darts League season. As well as you can now go hedge trimming as well. Right guys, we are in the last field. And I've just folded the rolls out. And the oil pipe that folds the wings in and out burst as they folded out. Which is obviously not good, but quite lucky that it did it on the last field on the last time I folded them out. So I can use the rolls as they are, and then when I finish I'll just leave them in the gateway of the field. We'll take the pipe off tomorrow and have to go and get a new one. So that was a bit annoying, but at least it happened there and not earlier on. There's always something. Anyway, I'm chasing Phil now. He's in the field here with me. He's just finishing off the long work in the middle. Excuse me! God. Right, so that's the rollers unhooked. I'm all finished. They're gonna have to stay there until we go and get a new pipe tomorrow. I think it's only a short bit of pipe needed from, well, the end of it's obviously on the end there. There's a junction box where that little information board is there. There's only that much pipe in that gap that we need. So one of us will go and do that tomorrow. I'm heading home. I never showed you this earlier, but I actually had the front weight with me. I dropped it off because getting in and out of the gateways over on those plots is tight enough without that thing hanging off the front. I'm amazed those pallets held it as well. That's 1100 kilos that weight. Right Gus, home time. So yeah, I thought I might as well pick the weight up and take home with me because I'll probably want it tomorrow on the ripper. Right, I am home. Wasn't a lot of point in washing that earlier because it is now very, very dusty. It's also covered in oil where that pipe burst, so it will need washing again. Anyway, that is all those grass seeds in. It's supposed to rain in about an hour, so that'll be ideal if it does. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We're so close to 10,000 subscribers. It is mental. Hopefully we can beat Crawford there. Loads of links in the description, guys, for you to follow. Snapchat, TikTok, Instagram, all that good stuff. And yeah, we'll see you on another video very soon. Cheerio.